What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can use the Trendyol app. The process is pretty simple. First of all, you need to download the Trendyol app. So after downloading it, this is how the app will look. You just have to open it up. Now, once the app is opened up, this is what you will see. Here, I would suggest you just log into your account by tapping on your account and then now simply tap into login. After logging in, what you will do is you will be able to place orders right here. You just have to select any of the clothing you want. You can select the categories, you can add the favorite items into anything and add those items into bag. However, after adding this, you can simply go to the bag and check out. Now, using this Trendyol app is pretty simple. It works like a normal clothing app. You just have to go to app, select it, place orders. However, if you want to cancel or track orders, just go to my account. You will be able to see all these options. You will be able to cancel your order, track your order, or you return your orders. You will have your coupons, browsing history, and all the things on the account section. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to use the Trendyol app. Hope you guys find this video helpful.